y'all, it's Miss Katie and you found Heritage Ways. Today I have another fast, easy, versatile, frugal recipe for your lunch or supper. I guess you could even eat it for breakfast if you wanted to. So let's make some quick sandwiches for supper. Tonight I am making a recipe that I made up, and it's called pimento cheese patty melts. I've got my Bella ceramic electric skillet just heating up. Now, if you're just finding Heritage Ways, just know that we are a family who has just moved out of a larger home into an RV, and we're about to hit the road. Haven't yet, but we are already. My husband has retired from his job at age 50. And we are seeking ways to serve and encourage folks around the nation. Well, in the meantime, we're trying to be as frugal as we can and good stewards of our money. I guess I didn't realize how much we went out to eat before this season in our lives, when it's really not feasible much at all to do so. This is a recipe that I'm throwing together after being gone all day. I hadn't planned to be gone all day. I had planned to be home earlier, but I did plan to have these sandwiches anyway, so the meat was thawed out. This is an organic, a grass-fed meat that I get from a CSA, a local farmer. I had 1 pound of meat, and tonight I'm feeding the 5 of us, my husband, myself, and the 3 littles. And Little Miss Homemaker and Little Music Man won't eat as much, so I'm making the other 3 their patties a little smaller than the others. But I am getting 5 patties out of this 1 pound of meat. One thing you should know when you're planning your meals is that you can expect to get 4 hamburgers out of a pound of meat, but you can feed more than that if you're making something like Sloppy Joes or something like that. So anyway, we have got several patties. I was talking and not paying attention to how many we have. So I'm going to put my butter in my skillet. I'm also going to spray a little bit of coconut spray in here in a minute. Put my butter. We're going to fry up the hamburger patties. I'm going to season them with salt and pepper, and then I'll show you how I'm going to put it all together. I do like this electric skillet so much, and I have included an Amazon affiliate link down below for you to purchase it. All right, I'm gonna zoom you in a minute, but I'm gonna put these patties in here real quick, and then I'll zoom you in. These are unseasoned. You saw me just pat these out, and I patted them out thinly because we are making patty melts, and those are typically thin patties, usually 2 per sandwich. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 patties, 4 thin and 2 not so thin. Season with salt and pepper. I've got onions, red onions today. I'm using what I have. I'm just going to put it in there with the butter. It's okay. I don't have many of them. This is like a 1/4 of an onion maybe. That's okay too. And then I've got brioche bread. Brioche bread, egg is one of the ingredients. That's why the color and the texture. I used to make brioche bread years and years ago. I got this from Aldi, the bread and the pimento cheese. So I've got pimento cheese, and we're going to put all this together and have a pimento cheese patty melt. Good healthy meat. I didn't skimp on the meat, but I was economical with the other items that I got from Aldi. So you have to pick and choose. what's most important to you. So there you go. I'm actually going to just take these up here in a second. I'm just going to put them on this same plate. Remember, trying to conserve space, trying to conserve money, trying to conserve all of it, all of the above. And then I'm going to put my toast in here. I'm just going to toast the bread in here because I actually don't have a toaster intentionally. We have a toaster oven, but we don't own a toaster in this RV. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to put my bread in here to get that toasted. I want both sides toasted. I could take the time to spread it or what have you, but actually I'm just going to do this. And this brioche is a hearty bread. It's not like a soft white, you know, just a basic sliced bread. So it's going to stand up to this spreading here. You can put it on both sides if you wish. I think I will because that's what I bought this pimento cheese for. Okay, this is going to be 2 sandwiches. Now, I realize that beef shrunk. That's okay. I'm not going to stress it, and these will be for the children. It's all right. It's going to be good. All right, there you go. There's my pimento cheese patty melt. It's easy, fast, frugal, versatile for supper. I hope you will check out our new page on our website. The website is www.heritageways.com, and the new page, go to In the Kitchen at the top, the tab, and then you'll click on that and see a page called Real Meals. And that's where I will talk more about fast, frugal, real, and actually document what we have eaten for weeks at a time rather than what we intend to eat. So I hope that helps you too with some real ideas. Come back and see us next time, and make sure to subscribe below. Bye-bye, y'all.